Hi there, this video is going to show you how to use your Sora app to find ebooks and audiobooks in our library. Once you have found this icon in your self-service, you can download it to your home page, and then you want to click on this green button. You want to click here and you want to scroll down and look for your school and sign in with your school ID and password. You don't need your rsu13.org. See, it's taken me to the home page where I can see what books I've checked out, any vocabulary words I've found in my books, or any notes or highlights that I've made. It also makes some suggestions based on other books I've checked out. Once you've clicked on the Explore tab, you can search for a book, scroll down and take a look and see what other genres we have or collections. And once you found something you like, you just click on the cover and it should bring up some information about that book. And if you want to check it out, you just click on the Borrow tab. It's that easy. It does take a while to load. As you can see, I haven't, oh, there we go, it's starting. Over here on the right, if you click on those three lines, you can find your bookmarks, your chapters, reading settings. You can change the background if you want. And you can also change the font size. If you're done reading, you can just click on the Close tab. If you click on the Shelf tab, you can see what books you have checked out. If you click on the options, you can renew your book, you can return it, and you have some other options. If you click on the Me tab, you can see some of your reading statistics and achievements. If you click on your icon, you can change it. I think I'll go with a robot this time. And up here on the right menu, you can also add your local library where you can check out more books and read them on your iPad using the Sora app. So that's it. I hope you enjoy having access to all these great ebooks and audiobooks. Take care.